Here at Kegel8, we know that weak muscles in the pelvic floor contribute to numerous embarrassing problems. And we also know that as women, we tend to come last in the queue when something needs fixing. For busy, time-strapped women everywhere, there's the Kegel8 Ultra 20. It's our best-selling pelvic toning and strengthening device, designed to be used safely and easily in the privacy of your own home. When a pelvic floor becomes weak, the muscles become unable to support effectively, resulting in a number of problems, such as bladder weakness, prolapse, and reduced intimate sensation for both you and your partner. Pelvic weakness is not an inevitable part of aging, having a baby, or menopause, and we know that in just 12 weeks you'll feel a real difference. You'll find 4 treatment categories: pelvic exercise, bladder and bowel control, intimate sensation, and pelvic pain. Each of these categories feature a number of treatment programs, and if you have difficulty choosing the one that's right for you, we're here at the end of a phone or email. We've taken the best clinical data from around the world and condensed it into 20 clinically proven treatment programs, ensuring you get the best, most up-to-date home treatment possible. The Kegel8 Ultra 20 uses neuromuscular electrical stimulation. So via the internal probe, it sends targeted pulses directly to the weakened muscles of the pelvic floor, springing them back into action. You won't have to guess if you're exercising the right muscles. You'll get noticeable results within weeks. Throughout your chosen exercise program, pelvic floor muscles will be flexed or contracted and then released, just as if you're doing the exercise yourself. This helps to ignite weak muscles, making them strong and able to function just like they used to. Treatment program times vary, but usually last approximately 30 minutes. And as well as strengthening your pelvic floor muscles, they also help with vascularization, again making them stronger and improving sensation. This is a certified medical device, and reassuringly, it's made here in the UK. Whether you want the best pelvic floor exerciser available in the UK today to manage prolapse, prevent bladder weakness, or to tackle debilitating pelvic pain, Kegel8 Ultra 20 is with you every step of the way. Together, we'll be stronger.